working his stuff out. So.
Look at this fool. He's filming his own video. So I'm having peel the MR2 for me. Look at him. Oh, we got him. Spotted. All right, if you guys been watching the channel for a while, you would know that Lacian right here has been hanging around for years. He's been learning how to wrap cars. He's been helping me peel the wrap on the cars and prepping all the work and all that stuff to make my life a whole lot easier. This kid works hard. All right, he has never complained, and he's always done what I've asked. So I've been paying him to help me with all these projects, and we're collecting the money so that we can get him a car. He doesn't have enough yet, but today we're going to surprise him because I'm just going to get him his dream car anyway. So stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel, Paradox the Rapper. We're here at Sac City Auto Parts in Sacramento.
What's up,
with
everybody?
my man George.
How you doing?
Okay. All right, today we're doing the giveaway for my boy Lacian.
He doesn't know.
He doesn't know.
Is he still in the car?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, he's just waiting?
All right, he thinks that me and you are here to pick up some parts for my 240, and you're sponsoring.
So
the
what are
240
we gonna go look at, like a 240
yeah, so,
or something?
well,
okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go back there, and we're gonna look at some parts. You're gonna point out, just do your thing, you know.
Okay,
Show the channel what you
Okay.
guys provide here.
Hell yeah.
And then I'll just ask you some questions and
Yeah.
stuff like that. We'll check out some of your rides, and then we'll casually cruise by and be like, hey, this is a G35.
There's plenty to talk about in the back, so that was
Yeah. And I was like,
Cool.
hey, didn't you say one of your dream cars was a G35?
Okay.
And then we'll ask him, you know, and
Okay.
then if you have the keys handy, right?
It's inside.
Okay. Then we can be like, hey, you want to see what this feels like?
We'll just
you
open
know,
up the gate and just
when
rip it.
you buy one. Well, he's not gonna rip it. He's
Okay.
a brand new driver. He's gonna drive down the street and come
Okay.
back. Right.
He just got his license?
Yeah, he just got his
God,
license
so good.
last week.
Okay.
Once he's done driving it, then we'll do something like, George, I think you should have this.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. I'm down. That's gonna
ready?
be so
You
perfect.
ready?
That's gonna be so perfect.
All right, let's do this.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna hand him the
Bring him
camera.
in.
All right, here we go. We got the 3000 GT. Come on, bro, let's go. All right, we got my man Lassie here. Of course, he's got a cameraman for me for this pickup event. All right, hey, thanks a lot, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he got the Paradox styling shirt on, everything. Hey, he's ready. All right, here we go. All right, guys, Sac City Auto Parts. Okay, right down here in Recycle Road. This is the phone number. Phone number. Give them a call if you need any Nissan Infiniti parts. He's probably got more. So let's go talk to George. He's actually the owner, and he's gonna tell us about what he
What's
sells.
up, man? George, nice to meet you, bro.
All
Man,
right.
what's up?
George, show us your
Hey.
goods.
So,
Hey, look at this lobby though.
we're kind of like re-merchandising and redoing everything right now, adding like new products and everything as well.
Yo, this thing is clean. The
You
best
saw
thing.
us at Aces, right?
Yeah, this was at drifting at Aces High.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it wasn't drifting.
Oh, it wasn't drifting.
It's a little garage queen.
This wing is sick. What is that?
I don't know. You want it? It's yours. I don't like it.
You don't like that wing?
No.
One day.
Okay.
Oh, look at this thing. Mint condition.
Yeah.
S14. He's got a 300 ZX right here too. Hey, that looks hella good. You guys fixed that quarter pound
Yeah.
and everything.
Yeah, it was all put together
Dang.
a couple of days ago, actually.
Dude, this is sick.
Yeah, I'm
I know.
excited to get it like up. We ordered the taillights from Z1, so we're gonna get like the nice taillights
Are
and
you
everything
gonna
on
do
it.
the full kit and everything?
I'll probably keep it stock like this, but I definitely want to lower it and like camber it a little bit and like kind of make it look like nicer.
That's sick.
But definitely keep it like a driver's car to where like it'll
Yeah.
be comfortable driving it.
You just got nice cars on display, man. I need an indoor section like you do.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what he's selling back here. So you got parts for Nissans and Infinitis?
Yeah, we're starting some LS stuff too, because a lot of customers keep wanting some LS swaps.
Like 400s?
LS ones, LS twos.
Yeah. Oh, you mean?
Yeah,
you
so like
mean
we just had a
American ones.
Corvette. Yeah, we just yanked the motor out of a Corvette,
Okay.
so we got that too.
Look at all these transmissions. Hey,
and engines.
is this a CD009?
No, that's not. That's a rear-wheel drive actually.
Alright.
So
When
that's
I'm-
a automatic. Yeah.
When I'm ready, you're gonna have one reserved for me?
Oh yeah, anytime.
Are those like two JZs right now where it's like sold out all
No,
the time?
actually, so the thing was like a few years back, they were almost super hard to come by.
Yeah.
But we have them on stock right now. They're everywhere.
You got HR motors?
HR motors too.
Okay.
What else do you want to do?
I don't know. I heard
We gotta
people
get you
starting a HR swap.
Yeah, the only thing about those HRs, man, they only made them for 2 years. So the 07, 08 year
Yeah.
for the Zs and then the G35 sedan. So they weren't really updated. They were kind of like the first version of the VQ37s, the VHRs.
Okay.
So like the gallery gaskets are kind of crappy on them. Like they're not the best.
Yeah, you need a refresh.
Yeah, you definitely need to refresh it. So that's what we offer over here too.
Yeah.
We like to sell refresh kits before we even send the motors out.
Okay.
Just because of the fact that it's such a liability to just
And you ship these parts that people need
nationwide,
anywhere.
yeah, everywhere.
You just FedEx it.
Everything. Yeah, freight.
Freight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, throughout California, everything's overnight, so it's super fast and quick.
They can just go on your website and order anything they need.
Yeah, or just give us a
Sick.
call too. So it's super awesome.
Oh, let me check out what you got over here.
Yeah. So we just got that Datsun back, but it's not even ready. Didn't get fixed. That red one right there. I got a Skyline.
Oh, there you go. I saw your video. Let me see that. Give me that. Let me run over here.
Yeah, this Skyline, dude. I paid $1,800 for it, but like,
yo, the parts alone. This one headlight's like,
yeah,
what, $500, $600?
They're actually, the weirdest thing is it's not too expensive, I guess. Like, because they're shipping out of different places, but look at this.
Ooh.
The motor survived.
Hey.
So it ran. It's perfectly fine.
Is this turbo?
No, it's NA.
Oh, okay.
But even this, look, it says Skyline on it.
Oh, that's
and
cool.
we're probably just going to pull this out and frame it. Just so it's kind of like nostalgic, you know?
Yeah, hell
So we're just going to be doing, I just bought it to do some cool stuff with it.
The emblem.
But yeah, just the emblem alone.
Hey,
And then that
240s?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. Hey, look at these G35s just chilling right here. That's cool. That's sick.
You like G's?
Hey, didn't you say these were one of your favorite cars?
Yeah.
Hey, you got a running G35?
I got one over here. It's kind of cool. Like,
Let's see.
I just got a Z in.
Oh, okay.
That one's going to be parted out. That one's smacked.
Oh, that Z looks so good though.
Yeah. Butt clap. But these G's are way cleaner. I like them.
Oh.
This one's super
The G35 one of your dream cars for real, rather than this?
50 is my dream car. The Fox body is mine.
Box body?
This is a close second.
This the closest.
Okay.
Yeah, this one just has like a little minor side swipe, but it's like a nice runner, dude. I don't know.
Cool.
Like I feel bad like parting it out.
Oh,
Like some
okay.
cars you get like they're smashed, but then some cars you get it's like a slight side swipe.
Hey, can we take a spin?
I mean, it should start. So
I want to see what a G feels like. Oh, okay.
I think you should be fine. Yeah.
You want to take it for a spin?
Sure.
All right, you drive it first, then I'll drive it.
You need a license? You have a license?
Yeah.
All right.
Let me see it. All right.
I'll run and open the gate.
All right. Okay, you got it. All right. All right, pull it out. Let me get some footage of this thing. Oh, not the license, the car. I just want to make sure you have it. Oh, that's looking clean. It could use a new fender, new bumper, new door, but it's running. Hey, the donut spots. Sick. All right, roll down window. Does window work?
Yeah, it's right here.
No, stay in there, I need some footage of it driving down the street and come back for the video. All right, go down there and just come back. Don't hit nothing.
All right.
How's it feeling?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
You should go down that road right there. So make a right, then the left.
Okay. You said make a right now?
Yeah, careful, there's a car coming. But yeah.
Ooh.
New driver, he used the turn signal.
It's loud.
He's about to use the turn signal too. Let's go!
Hey, I forgot what the turn signal feels like.
I know.
You think he knows what's coming?
I don't think so. I have no idea. Yeah, he definitely does it.
Okay. He's like, oh, this is far enough.
Oh
All
man, yeah, I don't think he. Absolutely not.
All right, we're gonna spring it on him.
This is gonna be. How are we gonna blast it on him? Just like. It should just when he pops out, be like, take out the key and just like when he gets there, just throw it. When he throws it to you, throw it to me and then throw it back to him.
I'll give it to you, and then you do the dom. I owe you a 10-second car.
Okay.
you remember?
Let's do it.
Yeah.
I'll throw it at him.
Where you are, where you're Paul Walker and he's Dom.
Yeah.
what you're doing.
I owe you a 10-second car.
That's looking good. You gotta come back here. Where's he going?
He's like, F you guys, I'm out.
Park right there.
Double parallel, however.
I don't care. Just park it.
Park like a box. There you go. I think you just leave it. You're good.
Just leave it there.
Yeah, you're chilling.
So try to signal and stuff.
Park however you want. Yeah, you can take the key out too if you want.
Yeah, yeah. All right, my turn.
Good, good.
How's it feel?
Good, stable.
Here you go, George. Actually,
Yeah.
this is the new car I'm getting today.
That's crazy.
Okay.
George.
So are you wanna catch?
Oh.
It's yours!
Your new car.
Oh, wow. Oh, shit.
This is your
I
new
was not
G35, bro.
Okay. Appreciate it.
It's okay, it's not a Fox body, but
Hey, man. It'll work. It'll get me to work and what I need to do. Holy shit.
Right?
I was not
How's it
expecting
feel to be a
this.
new car owner?
Pretty fucking good.
Yo, your
you
first dream car?
you just got your license too, right? You know, like growing up, my dream car was a G35 coupe, like for my first car too. A G or a Z, and like I never got it. But you got it.
It needs some work for sure.
I can put it in.
That's easy, bro. We
But
got
this-
you a door, so that door's scraped. That's gonna be super easy. We'll replace the door. Fender gets repaired, the quarter panel gets repaired, and this is pretty much super easy to take care of too. So, and it's clean title. So, when you're ready to sell it and move on, you got some value in it.
All right, how do you feel right now?
I don't even know. Like, I don't know what to say. Like, I'm dumbfounded right now. This shit is crazy. Like, I was not
You ready-
expecting to pick
you
this
ready
up
to
right
drive
now.
this home?
Hell yeah.
We're driving this home today.
All right.
All right. Let's go. There it is, guys.
I'm
Thank
so
you, George.
excited. Hell yeah.
Thank you for
I'm
setting
glad.
this up with me.
Anytime. Of course, bro.
Hey, George is the real one right here. He's selling me for a super good deal. I know on the market right now, any G35 can go for almost twice as much as what this man's giving it to us for.
Yeah,
He's
but
making no money off of this.
It's in it for a new good cause.
Hell yeah.
So,
Thank you so much.
Mhm.
All right, guys. Sac City Auto Parts
Thanks.
has their own YouTube channel. What the hell?
Recycle Road.
Yo,
bro.
some
Recycle
Asian just
Road.
lit off some firecrackers.
Yeah, some Recycle Road shit.
Sac City Auto Parts has their own YouTube channel.
Yeah.
All right,
We
you
just
guys-
started recently.
It's good.
Yeah,
It's
we've been
good.
working
The production looks good.
Yeah, we've been working.
Your
on it.
minutes just need to be longer than 10 minutes so you can monetize
That's
it
like
later.
what everyone keeps saying. They're like,
Yeah,
dude,
it's-
longer videos, longer videos.
10 minutes because
Okay.
then you can put ads in the middle of it later.
Got it.
You might not want to do it now, but you
Yeah.
can go back and do it later
Yeah,
once your
yeah.
channel starts popping.
Yeah.
Anyway, go subscribe to their channel. Follow them on Instagram.
Thank you.
I'll give their information right here and on the bottom. Check out George and all his
Appreciate
sick
it, man.
parts.
Hell yeah.
Hey, when are we running this Sacramento drift track?
The raceway?
George may be having some plans to get us our own little drift track, hopefully in Sacramento.
Very soon.
You
next
are the
year.
man to do it. You know the people.
That would be fun.
Ooh,
that would be really
that'd be
fun.
so
I'm
awesome.
excited.
I know we need something nearby because if I wanted to drift, I have to go all the way to
What do you
Stockton.
think? Like if we had, so count, like imagine this whole space right here,
Bro.
all empty, plus like a little bit more, we'd have so much room.
Oh yeah, I need to get better though because
the guys
I need
drift-
like a big ass lot.
I mean, the guys drift inside of here, so you can only imagine what they do.
I don't got that kind of skills yet.
Yeah.
All right, let's take this home. I'll
Yeah.
pay. Let me pay you first, and then we'll take it home.
Yeah.
What are we doing with this door? Yeah.
I mean, we can deliver a door over to you guys, and then you can just work it out. I mean,
Okay.
if you want, like, I have super good contacts on as far as like body work and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
So if you're looking to like get it all done, like step by step, it's cool. But if you're trying to like just take like steps and make videos on replacing the door and stuff, I'm not sure. how
We'll
much
take a
worth
door.
it.
You got a door right now?
Yeah, I got a door right now.
Okay.
You can just take a door right now.
Can we take a door right now?
You can take a door right now.
And then he
the
can
only thing
figure
is,
it
it's
out?
not gonna be the same color right now.
Oh, yo, we're rappers, bro.
Oh.
He's gonna learn how.
Oh, you're gonna wrap it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh shit. there
We
you
don't
go.
care what color it is.
Okay, then that's all good.
All right, let's do it. Thank
Cool.
you, man. Thank you.
Hell yeah.
It's the start of the journey. Look at that. Hey, you're missing this thing here. Okay, so you're gonna have to go and start gathering some parts at the junkyard now that you got a car, right? Well, you can always ask George too. He probably has some parts.
Okay.
You know what? Let me see if we can steal one off of one of those G35s back there.
All right.
Yeah, this. He's gonna give us a new door. And this right here, you're gonna have to. We take it to a dent guy. We're gonna pop it out, and then you just sand it down and wrap over it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you got to bundle that thing up. Well, you know what? You don't need to, because you can get a kit.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Go full white body on it.
Oh, will that cover it up?
Hell yeah.
Hey, that kit I sent you, savage, right?
Hell yeah, it looks good.
I like how this one doesn't have that wing either. I kind of don't like that wing.
Yeah.
So that, you know, the flat deck wing.
That's
I
all
mean,
I need. That's what I'm really missing right now.
What, you like that?
Yeah, the duck wings are nice.
No, the duck wing. I mean, I'm talking about the one that's like the deck,
Oh,
the flat one.
The stock one now.
Yeah, that's ugly. All right, there we go. We're gonna get some roller shots for you.
All right.
And we made it back. Nice and safe. No one broke down. So that's good. Right here, right here. Yeah. All right, front window tinted too? Oh, word. Hey, this thing's already done. Nah. How'd it drive?
Pretty good. It was fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You get nervous and shit?
Nah, it was comfortable.
All right. You were following hella slow.
Yeah, it was those fucking cars. I didn't want to cut and all the other shit. They were getting over with no lights.
Cut through the lanes. All right, guys. That's it for this video. Let him know what you guys think about his brand new car. The first time driver, having a G35, rear wheel drive is pretty dope. When I had my first car, oof, a 1992. No, it was a 90. Yeah. No, it was a 92 Honda Civic EX. You know, the high Civic from Fast and Furious. I didn't know what I had. But it was automatic. But yeah, having a rear wheel drive car for your first car. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
All right, man. Hey, congratulations.
Thank you.
What do you got to say to them?
Just keep an eye out. Keep an eye out.
All right, if you guys are interested in his stuff, go to his Instagram right down here. I'll link it. Maybe he'll start uploading some YouTube videos or something and do this build. This kid, look at his young blood. This was like 19. Wait, how are you?
Yeah, 19.
19. All right, guys. Until next time, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you guys later.